How are things going for everyone? BTC is coming off of platforms in large amounts. We're in for a busy week. Some presidential candidates like Donald Trump are now supporting cryptocurrencies. Other candidates may talk about Bitcoin as a strategic reserve and even buy some Bitcoin. There is a meeting of other leaders to talk about Bitcoin, and we need to look at some charts as well. Since we just broke through 70, is the market getting too strong? Not at all. Damn. Some people think that's the case, but it's not. I'd like to show you the charts so that we can look at them together and make a smart choice. We have a lot going on, so if you don't mind, please subscribe and turn on the bell notice below the video. That way you can see more videos like this as soon as I make them. Bitcoin is going through the roof today, back above 70,000. It's almost 71,000 if you want to trade Ethereum. If you want to set it up, we'll have it ready in a couple of weeks. You might be able to lay some reds out long and be ready for the next soaring move. Otherwise, if you believe that prices will rise sharply this week, you might want to take some long bets to set yourself up for that. I've done this before, especially when the price was around $60,000. It looks great now, and I even said in a video at the end of last week that I had made a video about a plan where you can use different kinds of collateral. I use Casper as collateral. I'm much higher now. With a different type of collateral, 250% on one spot and 80% on another as I sleep for my Bitcoin long one. Really cool. If you really want to try this, you can find the Margex link below the movie. Now, BTC worth $290 million has been taken off of platforms. In fact, someone has been buying Binance in the last few hours. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are about to get a huge amount of money. But why would that be? Okay, there have been huge changes in the political climate when it comes to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I already played this for you a few days ago, so I won't play it again. Trump just said that he will protect Bitcoin and Bitcoiners' rights. Zedge, one of the biggest news sites on Twitter, says this. If Trump wins, he should say that he will buy 2 million Bitcoin and 10 million Ethereum as part of a strategic U.S. crypto hoard. That's a lot of Bitcoin, but remember that it's possible for that to happen now. You never know if it will happen, but I saw that El Salvador and Argentina just got together to talk about it. Some countries, like Argentina, have said they're going to have some Bitcoin as a strategic investment or reserve. Now, 2 million Bitcoin would be crazy. That's a crazy amount that would probably cost hundreds of billions of dollars, if not more, because there hasn't been that much trading. The price would go through the roof. But remember that this week has seen a huge shift in thinking even without that. Don't undervalue how important its effect is. Trump publicly backs crypto ETF approval in just a few days. Everyone is rushing to get that cleared. The cryptocurrency regulation FIT21 bill passes the year 2024 is going to be a great one for politics in the U.S. House. I also talked about this in the video from yesterday. From 2009 to 2013, no one knew anything about Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies at first. After that, no one paid much attention. Everyone knows about it, but no one pays attention. From 2013 to 2017, and then from 2017 to 2020 and 2021. From 2020 to 2024, people will laugh at you and fight you. A lot of crypto businesses were fought by the SEC. Now you win, but it's too late because too many people are putting money into crypto to try to change things. What you need to happen here with crypto, if you're not pro-crypto, you'll lose votes and money. People are now wearing Satoshi Nakamoto shorts to show their support. Lots of people are getting bonuses in cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin Phantom ends up being the most popular banking app on Google Play. It's really crazy. It's better than Cash App. More and more people are getting into crypto now, above PayPal. There are some who might ask if this is the best way to tell when players are wearing shorts. Phantom being at the top of the money apps when we see crypto, more and more presidential prospects are talking about it. We're getting stronger. We're now over 70,000 strong. But remember that this is right after the halves. Usually we don't see the real blow off the top for about a year and a half after the people are talking about how this could be the best thing since the half, which happened about a month ago. I think that's an eye, and it's too early to call that. We're now seeing some strength, and you can tell this is from Plan B. Bitcoin, it's getting stronger. We were around 75 to 77 PS on not PSI RSI though. We had an RSI of about 77. When we got to 74K, keep in mind that we went from 38K to 74K very quickly in just half a month. Yes, we went through the roof in RSI. But now that we're back down, we're stuck between 60 and 66. We're back at 70. We are now at 70 RSI instead of 77, which means we could go back to the 80s. Even so, we will likely reach a peak between 85 and 90 RSI. That's assuming that we have the same cycles we've seen before, where the RSI goes down a little each time. But who knows, we might reach a crazy point where only countries buying and ETFs buying money plans that need Bitcoin now and keep buying it month after month, week after week, salary after paycheck. We might be going higher than that RSI, so who knows? Still, let me know what you think. We do have a big week coming up. Last week, over 15,400 Bitcoin were bought. The week before, 14,400 Bitcoin were bought, and the week before that, 13,300 Bitcoin were bought. So it looks like the ETFs have changed their minds and are now confident again. Especially since the 13F filings have changed the electoral scene. Remember, this was the 13th week, and a lot of crypto companies or companies that buy crypto ETFs bought Bitcoin ETFs. A lot of hedge funds bought, which I think made the market more exciting again. Then things changed in politics last week while we were still on that high. Yeah, I think ETFs are looking good for the coming weeks. Remember that we're at 70,000 as the week starts. This is when most people say, oh yeah, on the weekends we fall down, on Fridays today's our best day because it comes after a week of buying. On Saturday and Sunday, prices generally drop, and then we come back on Monday. We'll see how the rest of the week goes, but so far we've stayed really strong. In fact, we moved up over the weekend. Okay, everyone who says that might want to change their minds a bit from now on. This is the bull run, and things change quickly. This week could be the best ever. Who knows, the last few weeks have been crazy. When I say crazy, insane people make fun of me. It's been crazy, but it's been crazy. The way people feel about the market has changed in a crazy way. Yes, it looks like we're at an all-time high. Remember, we do have space. May 31st, that was last Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. It looks like Friday. We are going to have PCE. That too could be going through a big change. Inflation looks different every time. But let me know what you think below the film. Are you happy? Are you ready to go for another run? Have you put the 62 in this range? $65,000 range, we were there for a while. Were you able to buy some? Remember that for a long time, a couple of weeks we were in this range. Hopefully you were able to load up if you needed to before the next part of the bull run. Thanks for watching. Thanks for that. What do you think? Tell me below the video.